before joining Speakizy, I had this fear of fluently speaking to people. Often I'll be surrounded with people who converse with me in English, and I had this fear, like how am I going to reply to them? How am I going to be sharing my opinions to them? And since English is a common language which is used in corporate world or wherever you go outside, and it's a common means, right? So I was in a situation that I need to improve myself in order to survive in the corporate world since I'm from an IT background. So before coming to Speakizy, as I said previously, I had this fear, and I had some kind of a poor vocabulary, and also I had this nervousness. I faced so much nervous situations where I was trying to give up the even a small presentation or a 5-minute speech before like 10 or 15 minutes, and I would get stuck up in all of a sudden, and I would forget everything I had in mind, even though if I prepared previously. And after joining the Speakizy, like it's been 3 months now, and as you can see, I was not actually able to speak this fluently before itself. I used to speak, I used to insert my native language, that is